I want to take the IELTS exam, but I don't know which accent is better for the interview. I've learned American English in the institute, but many people say it's a better idea to learn British English for IELTS and American English for TOEFL. Is it true? I'm confused.
The International English Language Testing System, or IELTS, is an international standardized test of English language proficiency for non-native English speakers. It is jointly managed by British Council, IELTS Australia, and Cambridge Assessment English. As you can see, there is no sign of the United States of America among the names I've mentioned. Perhaps that's why many people think that they will have a better score in IELTS if they speak in British or Australian accents. But the fact is, there is no difference among English accents in this examination. You can freely choose any English accent you like. I recommend you to learn your target dialect as perfectly as you can, and it's better not to mix the English accent together, especially when you're taking the speaking test for IELTS. Like what? For example, you want to use one of these words, petrol station or gas station. Both mean the same, but petrol is a British word and gas is an American one. Let's say you choose petrol station, which means you're speaking in British accent. Now the following words you choose should be in British accent. For example, you should not say sneakers because that's an American word, and instead you should say trainers, which is a British word. In conclusion, you can speak in any English accent you want, but speak in English with American vocabulary and grammar in a British way of pronunciation and intonation would not be a wise choice. It doesn't matter what accent you want to learn. You can easily find resources for your target accent in the Zabonshinas app. So why don't you have a search on the app and start learning English right now? Have you got any questions about the IELTS exam? Ask your questions in the comment section and I'll be there for you. Okay, bye.